Hello everyone, it's Madheshwaran, Project Manager of Seasoning Kiln at Woodtech Consultants Private Limited. Now I will explain about our system, Seasoning Kiln. Generally, Seasoning Kiln is a closed chamber used to dry timber under controlled temperature, humidity and air circulation. In India, most of the people are using manual kilns, which results 50 to 60% of wastages. Why? Because there is no any control over these parameters. But in our system, we have an automatic controller with control over these parameters. Our control and it is imported from Italy. Our controller includes program for 40 to 50 wood species under the basis of wood thickness. You just select the species name and thickness, then start the cycle. After that, it will take care of all the things. Once it reaches the final moisture, then it cools the chamber and goes to the standby mode. And this is our exact prototype of our kiln. This is front main door, and it is a door sliding door. It's a door sliding lifter. By using this lifter, we can slide the door to that side. Then we can stack the wood inside the chamber. Now we will see the inner design of our kiln. In our design, fans are mounting in the ceiling and heat exchanger placed in the rear, and front and back side we will place the ventilation dampers. Water sprinkling system fixed in the rear wall. This heat exchanger has to be connected with the boiler which supplies heat. That heat circulated throughout the chamber by help of this fan. Below this fan, this is the fall ceiling area which helps to prevent the short circuiting of the air circulation. Next, we need to stack the wood exactly like this. Need to leave space between the two layers by using these stickers. Then we have to insert the moisture probe, 4 moisture probes inside the chamber. Moisture probe must be placed exactly like this. Distance between the probe is 30 mm and from in edges it should be 500 mm. Then connected with the cable to the controller. And this is K-box or climatic box which senses heat and room humidity and moisture content. It creates a climate inside the chamber for drying. This procedure and training and all given by our team while commissioning. Why we need to use the seasoned timber? Because an unseasoned timber lifetime will be 3 to 4 years only. If it is a seasoned timber, then lifetime will be 12 to 15 years. In that, if it is a chemically treated seasoned wood beams, then lifetime will be 25 to 30 years. So nowadays, government also insists to use the seasoned timber for interior and exterior woodworks. For more information, please contact us. We have a largest demo center at Bangalore where you can visit and see the live demos. Thank you.